this potato eye, all I'm going to do is stick it down in here, because this is my potatoes in my bathtub, in a little container, and all I'm going to do is stick it like this right there. See how it is? Now all you do is cover it up. See? Cover it up. And spray it with a spray bottle. And it will grow plants pretty soon. Now that's how easy it is to plant a potato. And you don't have to have the whole potato. All you need is an eye off a potato. And a little bit of skin off of the potato. And that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube.